Hello everybody, my name is Miss Olivia and today we're going to learn another interesting word. The interesting word we're going to learn today is the word surrounded. Surrounded. Can you say it with me? Surrounded. Now our tricky word surrounded has come from our book, The Rainbow Fish. Now I'm going to read a sentence from The Rainbow Fish, and when you hear the word surrounded, I want you to put up your hand. Okay, so listen carefully. The little blue fish whizzed through the ocean with his scales flashing, so it didn't take long before the rainbow fish was surrounded by the other fish. Everyone wanted a glittering scale. Did you hear it? It was our word surrounded. Can you say it with me? Surrounded. Now, if someone is surrounded, they have things all around them. Now, we're going to make an action for the word surrounded so that we remember what it means. So we're going to put our arms out like this and then move them around like this. So we're going to say surrounded. Remember, if someone is surrounded, they have things all around them. Now, can you do it with me? Surrounded. We're going to go through some different sentences of things that are surrounded, or a time you might be surrounded. Okay, so we could say that the teacher was surrounded when she brought out the prize box because lots of kids were around her. Or we could say, I was surrounded by children when I walked out into the lunch area because there were kids everywhere. What was our tricky word? Surrounded. Let's do our action. Surrounded. Now, I'm going to read some sentences to you. If you think that the person in that sentence is surrounded, I want you to do the action for surrounded. If you don't think that person would be surrounded, I want you to put your hands in your lap and you don't need to say anything. Let's have a turn. Sitting at the park. No, I don't think that person would be surrounded. What about handing out lollies at lunchtime to all the kids? I think that person would be surrounded. What about being in the middle of a circle in the class with people all around me? I think I would be surrounded. What about sitting under a big tree at lunchtime by yourself? No, I don't think I would be surrounded. What about throwing a little bit of food to a flock of birds? Yes, I would be surrounded by birds. What we're going to do now is we're going to practice using the word surrounded in a sentence. So we're going to use this sentence right here. I was surrounded when, and you can give it time. So I could say, I was surrounded when I started giving out stickers. Now I want you to make a sentence. I was surrounded when Okay, you've had a turn now to use the word surrounded in a sentence. Now, let's recap what the word surrounded means. It means that you have got things all around you. So let's do our action for surrounded. Surrounded.